And welcome to part 2 on how to skim coat a wall for beginners. Alright, so let's get started. Yeehaw. First thing, this is an 18 plus video, funny and could have some trivial languages as well. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright friends, like I showed you in the previous video, to know what you need to skim coat a wall for beginners. Again, I'm gonna stress with this stuff is that you don't have to take this one in particular, but an indoor gypsum based skim coat similar to this stuff. Alright, so after we have mixed it with the electric drill, the compound, you should have something like this. Alright, this is the consistency of the stuff after we have mixed it with the water. And like I told you in the previous video, I like to do it like this, you know. This is the wall, let's say this is the wall. We're gonna apply the first coat with the fiberglass mesh. And then I'm gonna do this one. This is all the stuff I have left, you know, and then I have to figure it out, you know, to make some videos. Duh. All right, this one we're gonna apply it as it is. All right, so stay tuned. All right, friends. So we have it on our thing. We're gonna put it straight into the stuff. I have this corner plaster thing. Come on, lad. There you go. This is the process. Skim coat a wall for beginners, and this one as well is gonna help you out with some holes in the stuff and bumps and stuff. There you go. You see, this is all the stuff needed. This is gonna be the first and primer coat, the first thing, and then after is you're gonna let it sit 6 hours, says on the package, but to be safe, you can do it the next day. Here you go. You're gonna apply it all the stuff. Don't stress out because we're gonna came with a second coat as well. But you don't have to let it rough like this. Just try to smooth the bastard thing out. Here you go. Go. Okie dokie. Then we're gonna proceed to the next step. Alright, as I told you in the previous part, this one is got the fiberglass applied on. We let it sit 24 hours and then we're gonna apply the second or third depending on the roughness of the wall. Starting from the bottom part, go up, then go like this, again from the bottom. Now you have to let it be smooth as you can make it. There you go. You see, I got a small bump over there. But after all, it's gonna be a finish smooth as well. Alright friends, thanks all for watching. I hope you learned something. Watch out for the virus and see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.